Implementation of Baisbarua Committee recommendations was discussed in detail on the sidelines of the Northeast Festival on the 7th of November. On the panel were the committee's chairman, Mr. MP Baisbarua himself, besides Director of Ministry of Home Affairs, Mr. Ajay Kanodia, Joint Commissioner of Delhi Police, Shri Robin Hibu, eminent lawyer Upamanyu Hazarika, and Assistant Professor of Delhi University, Ms. Topi Basar. They were later joined by activist David Boyce. Speaking first, the lady on the panel, Topi Basar, urged for state governments of the Northeast to reflect why large-scale migration of youth from the Northeast is taking place. She urged state governments to work for improvements of educational facilities in the states.
Why is migration taking place? Migration is taking place for better opportunities, better educational facilities, which is somehow lacking in Northeast.
Shri Ajay Kanodia, Director Northeast from the Ministry of Home Affairs, charted out the works done by the ministry and said that highest priority was given to the recommendations of the committee.
We attached highest priority to this recommendations, valuable paper which has emerged, and I can only ensure that all the recommendations wherever it's feasible will be implemented.
Talking next, Mr. Baisbarua called upon the parliamentarians to take up the issue in Parliament. He also briefly spelled out the objectives of the report.
The committee has given a very large number of suggestions. One of them is that you must prevent racial type of incidents by strong police action. Secondly, that you must bridge the gap of misunderstanding between the Northeast people and the people in the metropolitan cities by creating situations in various ways in the media, in education, in sports, the measures to bring Northeast closer to the rest of the country.
The session included questions by youth of the Northeast and visitors from other states, which were answered by the panelists. Speaking last, activist David Boyce said that good intentions must be followed by appropriate steps. His voice of doubt raised at the meeting was answered by Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Kiran Rijiju, from a dais at the festival, wherein he said that the committee itself had written that implementation of the report would take time.
People ask me what happens to Baisbarua Committee. Baisbarua Committee itself says that there is 6 months to 1 year it will take. There are certain short-term measures, certain long-term measures, certain medium-term measures. But some people just ask me and tell me, oh, it has been 3 months, why it has not been implemented? The committee itself says that it will take years. There are many long-term processes, many people do not know, and let's just pass like comment, what happened to Baisbarua Committee? We are working on that.
The minister called upon people of the Northeast to earn respect and recognition by hard work.
Well, if somebody doesn't know you, I really don't care. Many people say that, oh, I walk on the street of Delhi, people tell me you're from Myanmar or Nepali or something. I really don't care. As long as I can progress, as long as I can really achieve something in life, people will automatically recognize you. If you don't do anything, nobody will know you. Weak people is not respected on this very merciless world. You have to enhance your own position so that people need not ask you, where are you coming from? People will follow you and they will respect your identity.
Taking the mic after the minister, Shakuntala Gamblin, chairperson of NDMC, stood as an epitome of successful person from the Northeast who had gone ahead in life in Delhi without facing any discrimination.
Worked in the Delhi government, I worked in the central government. I'm back in Delhi government, I would be going back to the central government again. I have worked with different bosses, different people, and I must say that despite the fact that I did see some prejudices, I can reassure you that there has been no discrimination. The very fact that I'm here today and I have, much more sort of distance to cover in my career, I can reassure you, your hard work, your intellect, and your sensitivity to the environment will take you ahead.
Meanwhile, new Donna Minister Shri Jitendra Singh visited the Northeast Festival on this last day. Asked about his priorities, he said,
"The Northeast is high on the priority of the development agenda of the government and the Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi. So socio-economic development is high on the agenda, but personally I would also try to lay emphasis on closer integration culturally and socially of the people of Northeast with the rest of the India. And that kind of psychological barrier sometimes, that perception among the people of Northeast that they're not getting the kind of attention that they deserve has to be brushed aside, and we have to work for that."
The government railway police personnel of Guwahati have seized 10 solid illegal gold bars which were being carried by 3 youths from Manipur in Kamrup Express with destination for Kolkata. Initial investigations have revealed that the bars were together worth over rupees 2 crore 40 lakh. From illegal arms, drugs and now illegal gold trade, miscreants are trying out many nefarious activities for which the security forces of the Northeast have to be on alert always.
कामरूप एक्सप्रेस की तलाशी के वक्त गुवाहाटी जीआरपी ने 3 संदिग्धों की तलाशी ली और तलाशी के दौरान जीआरपी की स्टाफ को उनमें से 10 टुकड़े सोना का टुकड़ा मिला। और जब एक्सपर्ट को बुलाया गया, उन टुकड़ों के निरीक्षण किया गया, तब पता चला ये जो 10 टुकड़े हैं ये सोने की है और उनकी वज़न 9 किलो 537 ग्राम्स निकला। और आज की तारीख की जो मार्केट प्राइस है, मार्केट वैल्यू है उसकी 2 करोड़ 40 लाख रुपया आंका गया है। और तीनों जो संदिग्ध युवक है वो तीनों मणिपुर के हैं। अभी शुरुआती तफ्तीश जारी है।
It's time to catch some breath. During a short break we will take now. Don't go anywhere, we'll be back in seconds.
असम, यहाँ कदम कदम पर बदलें बोल। यहाँ संस्कृति के रंग हैं अनमोल। यहाँ भाषाएं अलग हैं पर दिल नहीं। यहाँ जाति धर्म अलग हैं पर लोग नहीं। विभिन्नताओं के संगम की ये धरती है असम की।
अनेकता में एकता, यह है असम का विशेषता।
Sportsperson from the Northeast who won medals at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow and the more recent Asian Games at Incheon in South Korea were felicitated by the Northeastern Council. Our report.
The Northeastern Council under the Ministry of Donor gave away cash awards and plaques to medal winners of the Northeast from the 20th Commonwealth Games which were held in Glasgow, Scotland between the 23rd of July and the 3rd of August this year, and the more recent 17th Asian Games which had taken place between the 19th of September to the 4th of October at Incheon, South Korea. Starting with medal winners of the Glasgow Games hailing from the Northeast, Donor Minister General Retired V.K. Singh and Minister of State for Home Affairs Shri Kiran Rijiju gave rupees 3 lakhs in cash to bronze medal winners like gymnast Deepa Karmakar of Tripura and judo star Kalpana Thaudang. Silver medal winners like boxer Laishram Sarita Devi, Devendra Singh, judo star Sushila Devi and hockey players Chingalan Sana and Kothajit Singh got rupees 5 lakh each. while weightlifter Sanjita Khumukcham, who had fetched gold medal, got rupees 10 lakh as reward. Next, medal winners of the Northeast from Incheon Games got rewarded at the ceremony. Golden boxer MC Maricom, who fetched gold medal, got rupees 10 lakh and a plaque, as did hockey players Chinglan Sana and Kothajit. Kothajit's father came to take the reward. Bronze medal winner like boxer Sarita Devi, hockey players Chonchon Devi and P. Sushila Devi, wushu player Sanathoy Devi got rupees 3 lakh each. Urging the sports people to better their performance, NEC Secretary A. Luikham said that medal winners from the forthcoming Olympics can expect much larger rewards from the NEC.
For Olympics, it is 40 lakhs for gold and 20 lakhs for silver and 10 lakhs for bronze. But today, for Commonwealth Games and Asian Games, the prices are slightly lower. It's 10 lakhs for gold and 5 lakhs for silver, 3 lakhs for bronze. But to inspire you, please vie for the Olympic medals.
We are happy that we are got us full support from donors, ministry donors, and after a new government, and we have a great support, our sports minister Sonowal sir. So we need your all support, not a single support, because we have to give more medal for our country.